Okay, now that we've activated Google and that we've downloaded and installed Google Drive to act as just another desktop application, so you can store your documents and stuff just like you would on your normal computer. Now I'm going to show you a little bit on how to navigate around Google Drive, as well as how to create a folder and share a folder and documents with other people. So um, there's two ways you can do it. If you created a shortcut on your desktop, you can access it directly from your desktop. Just click on Google Drive. It'll open up. Should open up. Oh, there we go. All right. And then you'll just your typical navigation screen will come up to navigate around your files. Mine has stuff in it. Yours is probably going to be empty. So a couple of things I want to talk about first is if you look at mine, you have a couple different icons here. You have an icon with a red X and then an icon with a green check. The green check means the entire folder is uploaded. It's on drive.google.com. So you can access it from any other things. The red X's mean that there is some sort of sync error. Something did not upload. So if you go into, let me go into one of my folders here. Open up my Genius Bar. Okay, so as you can see, as I navigate through this, let me go back really quick. Certain things are completely uploaded, and other things nested within these folders are still not uploaded. So if you keep clicking on the red X's, you'll eventually find what hasn't uploaded. And I just transferred all my data over, so that's why there's so many red X's. Yours shouldn't have that many. What's happened now is I have actually uploaded some Google documents that are very specific to ownership. So these did not sync because these are located somewhere else and they're not relevant. So a lot of these, I'll delete. Anyways, if you get a red X, typically it's because of an ownership issue or because of file name issue. So I'll deal with those later. I just wanted you to know the difference between the red and green, the red X and the green check mark. So let's go ahead and go back to my main folder. And here we are now. So I just showed you how to access it from the desktop, which was here. We can also access it from this folder system down here at the bottom. If you click Windows Explorer, it'll pop up. Now it'll pop up in your libraries or maybe your documents or wherever your default is set. But if you've added it over to the favorites, it'll be right here. You can click into there and voila, there it is again. If it's not in your favorites, I'd recommend doing that. So you'll go ahead and click Local Disk C. You'll click Users. You'll find your username, and then there's Google Drive. From there, you can either drag it and drop it directly onto favorites, and it'll click a link there, create a link there, excuse me. Or you can right-click on it and go to Send To, and then Desktop, and that will create the desktop shortcut for you. And so now we are back to our Google Drive. What we're going to talk about now is how to create a folder. If I want to create a new folder, there's a couple ways. You can click New Folder here. Or you have the option, if you right-click anywhere on the main screen here, you get this New, and you get a completely from right here, add a new Word document, an Excel document, PowerPoint, folder. You can add all kinds of stuff. We're going to create Add Folder. I'm going to label it Test Folder. And then the blue arrows means it was syncing. It's now uploaded to Google Drive online, and we're able to sync. All right, so now let's say we want to share that